Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. I'm Bert, over here from Bert's Builds, and today I'm going to be showing you guys some products and just the way that I detail every car that I detail. I like to think I'm good at it. I don't know, but I'm going to be showing you just how I do things. It's not how you necessarily need to do things, it's just how I do things, what products I use. And as always guys, if you like this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, drop it a like, a comment, and share it with your friends. And as most of you out there who are watching this probably have never heard of me, you've never heard of this sponsor, this video, I'm sure. So you guys got to check them out. It's VVASH AUTOCARE, and so they sponsored the video. I'm doing a little review on their wheel cleaner here. It comes with a brush, a spray nozzle, and I'm going to be showing you what it works out like, what I think about it. And yeah, so I'll leave the link to the description in the link to buy this. I will leave in the video description below. It's called VVASH AUTOCARE, so you guys can check them out. I'll let you know what I think about them, but you can use code BERTBUILDS and get 10% off your order over there today. So make sure you do that and check out my other sponsors as well. I'll leave those links below. So yeah, let's get into it. Clean Magic Erasers, a 4-pack, Turtle Wax Fresh Out, LG&D Rapid Detail, the VVASH Ultimate Wheel Cleaner, Rain-X Glass Cleaner, and the Turtle Wax Carnaruba. We'll just call that the Express Shine from Turtle Wax. I got my buffer, 40 microfibers, and some chamois and soap stuff. As I explained in my last detail video, I'll put a link to that in the video below. But there's 3 keys. It's exterior wash, interior detail, wheel and tires, and then windows, but that's less. So you need to focus on those first 3 things if you want to fucking make your shit look nice. We're just going around with a normal chamois, one that you twist up and wring all the water out of just to dry it off. This really doesn't have any like cleaning purposes really. Oh, and if you didn't notice, I didn't even use soap. Literally just sprayed it with water. And the reason for that is this. It's pretty dry. Been starting a little bit of vacuuming, and then we're gonna detail everything, wax the outside. I guess we can call it waxing the inside, but shine everything up, let's say. Buffing pad here, gonna put that on the buffer, Express Shine, and then we'll hit it with another microfiber. Then we'll use the LG&D Rapid Detail on the inside, the VVASH Ultimate Wheel Cleaner for the wheels, and the Rain-X for the windows. And here we go. Using the Dyson to vacuum the rest of the inside. We're gonna use the wheel cleaner now and then go in with the Rapid Detail on the inside, and then we should be wrapping up. Is all the love I gave you for free. Something that I am, it's not worth listening. I don't care that no one can see. Deep inside my mind, that's where the only time. So yep guys, this is the ultimate wheel cleaner, and I spray it on and I wait 30 seconds. I like to hit it a little bit around the tire too. It says to shake it up well. I never really do that just because like when you're spraying it on there like this, kind of shakes it up. Then you just come in, this brush comes with the kit they send you. I like to hit the tire with it first because the tire is always more dirty. So now I'm just going to use this rapid detail from LG&D all over the place on the interior, except for probably I'll get the leather care to do the seats, but all the plastics and stains we're going to hit with this because it smells good and it actually does work. Overpriced, definitely, probably not going to buy this again, but it does work.